Hi everyone, it's Eva. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to attempt this again this year. Say hello to my new happy planner. This is my second year of planning. I purchased an Erin Condren last year and I purchased an Erin Condren this year. But every time I see somebody planning in a happy planner and just how easy it is to pull the pages apart and use no Etsy kits and all that, that draws my attention and I love that. And I purchased a happy planner just so I could do that. I have a lot of paper pads, I have a lot of stickers, I have a lot of ink pads, and I wanted to, last year actually, I attempted to plan in my happy planner and that was a total fail. So this year I'm going to try and attempt it again. So I will be using my Erin Condren, but I also want to use my happy planner, and who knows, maybe by the end of the year I'll choose to solely stick with the happy planner or keep doing the same. But like I said, I do like the fact of buying Etsy kits to use in my Erin Condren, just how pretty some of the kits are, just throwing stickers in them, planning. But I also like the fact that I get to create something that nobody else has created. And that to me is where it draws my attention and I like to watch. So I'm gonna try it again, like I said, and we'll see how it goes. So wish me luck. So this is my new happy planner for this year. And for starters, I am going to plan January. And I did pull out a couple of things. I pulled out this washi, which is from I'm not sure if it's from Michael's or if it's from Hobby Lobby. This washi from the Pink Room Co. I also pulled out this washi. This is from a Hobby Lobby tube, and it actually is from like a wedding, wedding related. I'm not going to use those, but I really was drawn to this washi. I also pulled out this firework sticker piece, and as you can tell, I already used one, and this was, I used actually for a 4th of July kit, but I love these two big ones, so I'm probably going to use that. And I pulled out these two happy planner sticker books. I also have this Simple Stories New Year's sticker kit that I purchased from scrapbooking.com. So let's see how this turns out, and I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. For starters, I'm taking this Cheers stamp that I purchased at Michael's last year, and this was purchased after Christmas, so it was during the time when they had probably like their 70% off sale, and I didn't want to stamp the bottom, so I put a piece of paper and I missed my mark, and you'll see me grab a black marker to fill in those gaps that I missed. And there you see me filling in what I missed. I'm going in with my Simple Stories and taking the Celebrate banner, and I'm placing it in the block where there is no day. I'm also going to take the fireworks and start placing them sporadically around the page. I was also trying to take this tasseled banner and place it where I thought it would look okay, but I wasn't liking anywhere. It was a little too big, so I just decided to leave it out, and use it for another occasion. And New Year's wouldn't be complete without some champagne glasses. I'm also going to take a birthday sticker from the mom sticker book and place it on the 1st, because not only in my household do we celebrate New Year's, but we also celebrate my baby girl's birthday. She's turning 14 this year. No longer a baby, but still a baby in my eyes. I'm also flipping through the book and trying to find some icons that I could use for bill dues, and all the bill dues were in color, and I really didn't want any color in this spread, so I just went ahead and took those stars and put them down on the dates where I have my bill dues, and I'll be filling it in along with my daughter's name just above the birthday sticker. I didn't do so well with the writing, but I tried, and that's something I want to take up this year. I want to better my handwriting, so I purchased a lettering book, and hopefully I'll be able to put it to good use soon. Which, by the way, I purchased 2 of the same book and didn't realize it, so I will be doing a giveaway, which I do have an Erin Conjuring giveaway on my channel right now. If you're interested, you can go to my Instagram at Fancy This Planning and sign up to win. I'm taking these polka dotted banners from the same mom Happy Planner sticker book to notate my paydays. And there I go again, trying to intend a good script font, but I'll keep trying. Taking my washi, the pink with gold, and creating a little backdrop for a sticker that I'm going to place on here from the Simple Stories Celebrate sticker that I had, and it states "out with the old." The pink is a little too vibrant for this, but I just decided I didn't feel like going through my stash, honestly, to select another one, and I just rolled with it. So I'm taking a birthday balloon to put next to Alexa's birthday, and I'm taking the Happy New Year sticker and placing it up top. And I didn't realize that the frame was out of shot, so I apologize. I'm sorry. And I still have to figure out how close or how zoomed in things are, and I still have to remember to look at the frame every now and then so that I can get shots in here. And you guys, it is New Year's Day. There's fireworks and there's a whole lot of commotion outside. So if you hear my dog panting in the background, she's a bit nervous with all the noise going on. So I apologize if you hear any panting, but that's my poor mini boo. And here I'm taking the, what was it, Jolie's, I think it was, fireworks stickers, and I'm placing one at the top as well. And again, was a little bit out of focus, but this time I was able to catch it in time. And I'm going to take a little bit of confetti and put it right under Martin Luther King's birthday to celebrate that as well. I'm taking small little fireworks stickers and just placing them around the page. So there it is for now. I'm not sure exactly how I feel about it, but it's a start. So I'm sure I'll start finding my groove and my style will start evolving. This is a lot harder than what it actually looks. You know, throwing stickers down that are pre-made for you is quite hard because, you know, you have to decide where you know, the sticker placement is going to go. But this here, where you have no idea where you want to put a sticker and how it's going to turn out, it's pretty tough. So hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching.